Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple and beautiful Independence Day paper decoration.
I'm using only A4 color sheet and bangles to make this wall hanging. It is easy enough for beginners, students and teachers. So let's begin. First I take the bangles. Since I need a tricolor theme, I paint one bangle with green acrylic color. If your bangle are already green, you can skip the step. After painting, I let the bangle dry completely before moving the next step. Now I take the green A4 sheet. I apply glue on the back side of the green bangle evenly. Then I carefully stick the bangle onto the green paper and press it gently. This helps the bangle stay firmly in the place. After the glue dries, I cut the paper by following the outer edge of the bangle. This gives me a perfect green circle. I already prepared the white and orange circles using the same method to save time. Now all three colors are ready. Next, I arrange the orange, white and green circles in a U shape. I adjust the spacing so that all three colors look neat and balanced. This simple arrangement creates a beautiful tricolor design. Now I turn the decoration over. On the back side, I attach small cardboard pieces where the circle meet. Then I apply glue to fix them securely. These cardboard pieces make the decoration strong and durable. Finally, I attach a thread on both sides for hanging. Now our beautiful Independence Day wall hanging is ready. You can create your classroom, home, office or school notice board with this easy craft. I hope you enjoy this easy paper decoration idea. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more creative DIY videos. Thank you so much for watching and happy Independence Day. A beautiful Independence Day paper decoration using A4 color sheets and bangles. This easy DIY craft is perfect for school classroom, home decoration, teachers, students and beginners. On the back side, I attach small cardboard pieces where the circles meet. Then I apply glue to fix them securely. These cardboard pieces make the decoration strong and durable. Finally, I attach a thread on both sides for hanging. Now our beautiful Independence Day wall hanging is ready. You can decorate your classroom, home, office or school notice board with this easy craft. This DIY tricolor decoration is easy to make, budget friendly and perfect for schools, classrooms, homes, offices and Independence Day celebrations. Whether you are a beginner or craft lover, you can easily follow this step-by-step tutorial and create a beautiful patriotic decoration at home. Materials used: orange, white, green craft paper, bangles, acrylic colors, glue, thread. After fixing all three colors, I attach a strong thread at the top so the decoration can be hang easily on a wall, door, class board or entrance. Take your time while arranging everything. Small adjustments make the decoration look much more beautiful. Now our beautiful Independence Day decoration is almost ready. You can make several of these and hang them together for wonderful tricolor display. This decoration is lightweight, budget friendly, and easy to store for future celebrations. It is perfect for school projects, cultural programs, office, and home decoration. Children can also enjoy making this craft with adults' supervision. Here is final look of our Independence Day decoration. I really love how bright and colorful it looks. Even with simple materials, we can create something attractive and meaningful. If you try this craft, please share your experience in the comments. I would love to know how your decoration turned out. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Shanthi Art and Crafts for more easy DIY crafts, paper decorations, and best out of waste ideas. Happy Independence Day, Jai Hind. Tricolor paper decorations use saffron, white, and green paper. Celebrate Indian national holidays like Independence Day and Republic Day. Common type of including paper fans, paper chains, and hanging lanterns. They are low cost, easy to make, and popular for school, homes, and offices. Paper chains are garlands, interlinked loops of the three flag colors strung across room or softboard. Common uses and supplies. Where to use: classrooms, event stages, office desks, and home.
I hope you enjoyed this easy paper decoration idea. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel.